explanation, this is looking at a frequency range right here. The center frequency it's looking at is 5840. The green line that's showing here is the current noise. Whenever there's a spike, the highest is recorded here. So you can see generally right now it's all very level. There's not a lot of noise, but there certainly are some high spikes, but this is not too noisy, right? Let me show you a band that the drones will be operating in. You can see why it can be a challenge for our system to look at all of these spectrograms and the noise that's coming down here to pull out a drone protocol.
좀 더 번호 주세요. 다 보내드릴게요. 경량이 필요하시다는데.
Okay. All right. So you can see this is a bit different. This is frequency 2450, which is in the center of Wi-Fi. Generally, these commercial drones will operate anywhere from, on the base level, from 2400 to 2500. The noise is a little bit more erratic, and you see it spikes a lot more often. And you can see down here, there's a lot more high-level signals going on. So if I could show you what the protocol looks like itself, is there's tiny little blips that occur in a certain pattern. And what our system does is it looks at those blips and those patterns and will tell you if there's a system. So right here in these frequency ranges, you can see there's a lot more going on than those other ranges. So it's up to our system's radios and computers to look at all of this and say there's a drone signal right there. For instance, the diver model I just had up, there was an OcuSync detection, and what it does is it looks at all this, finds the certain patterns in there, and says yes, there is a detection. Now we'll go ahead and go to what this is more complicated. Regular users will not see this. This is just an example, but it's something that your more trained and capable electronic warfare expert could use.
So the concept of this gear is to find every frequency first, and then analyze all frequency and find the target, right? Detecting the target and then jamming the target, right?
Well, no jamming for this one.
Oh yeah, not today.
Yes, but for the detection, yes. It goes through a list of drones. This is an example. This is not all of the ones we're currently scanning for.
Yeah.
But the easy way to explain it is that Skyview will say, Autel Evo, I know it operates on certain frequencies. Let's look. Is that frequency there? Yes, no. We'll go to the next one. Crossfire, same thing, and it will go down the line. Once it's done, it'll come back to the top and continue on.
What?